Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Thursday October the 29th 2020. We have here a regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku, and in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 extra Sudokus, but first we will do the regular Sudoku, and this is a medium Sudoku. It will be number 1814. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, and this one I have already counted. There are 26 printed digits, and if you compare in the additional with extra Sudokus, the 1 star has 27 printed digits, the 2 stars has 26, so this is a 2 stars Sudoku. A 3 stars 25 and a 4 star Sudoku 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot say a 4 star Sudoku with 24 is more difficult than a 2 star Sudoku with 26. It depends. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, and sometimes a 2 star Sudoku is more difficult than a 4 star Sudoku. So you cannot tell, but it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. So, alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? Yes. Look, in this column we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have the 1 and the 7 in this big square, so no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. The 2 and the 3 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. So we have a 2 and a 3 there. Alright, can I do again with another digit here? Alright, we have a 1 in the last row, a 1 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. In this column we have a 1 over there. In that column we have a 1 over here. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see, yes. All the 1s are used. Digit number 1, alright. And now, how about the number, let me see, the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There, 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2 for the number 9. Alright. How about the number 5 in this row, the 5 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me wait for a minute. How about in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 6. Should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this third column, 6 in that column, the first column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 6, should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see which number I can pick. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 4. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. Now we have a 6 here, so 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column, in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3, 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Then 3, 2. Alright. How about yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4 of 3. 3 is missing in this big square. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. That means that this box I've marked with a 2 and a 3. It cannot be a 3 anymore, so this should be a 2 and this should be a 3. So those 2 missing numbers now are the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here in the second row, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have no 2 and 8 there. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. That means 1 box left in the first row for the number 4. Yes. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 7. How about these 2? 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. This is only the way to do this. This is the way. Just like the Mandalorian. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the additional with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.